In a world filled with constant noise and distractions, the art of active listening has become a rare and invaluable skill. It goes beyond simply hearing the words spoken by another person. It involves fully engaging with them, understanding their perspective, and showing genuine empathy. Active listening is not about formulating your response while the other person speaks, but rather about being fully present in the moment. By practicing active listening, you not only make the speaker feel valued and respected, but also gain a deeper understanding of their thoughts and feelings. This skill is crucial in all relationships, whether with friends, family, or colleagues. It fosters better communication, strengthens emotional connections, and builds trust. To become a better active listener, focus on maintaining eye contact, nodding to show you're following along, and asking open-ended questions to encourage the speaker to elaborate. Practice empathy by putting yourself in the speaker's shoes and seeking to understand their emotions. Avoid interrupting or judging, and instead create a safe space for open and honest dialogue. By mastering the art of active listening, you can transform your relationships, enhance your communication skills, and truly connect with those around you.